In this video, I will show you how to make this bubble basket. Let's get started. To make this basket, I will use this worsted acrylic yarn and 6 mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn you want. Obviously, remember that if you use thinner yarn, you have to use thinner hook. Some scissors and needle. If you want to put some box or can inside your basket, remember that your basket has to be as big as your box. Start making a magic ring. And inside your magic ring, make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close this hole and insert your hook into the first stitch. So this one. And make a slip stitch. Chain 1. And now we will make 6 increases. So we will work 2 single crochet in every stitch, starting from this first one. 1 and 2. In the next stitch, 3, 4. In the next one, 5, 6. In the next one, 7, 8. In the next one, 9 and 10. And in the last one, 11 and 12. Again, insert your hook into the first stitch of this round, make a slip stitch and chain 1. This row number 3, we will just work increase in the first stitch and in the next one single crochet. So here we will make 2 single crochet in this first one, 1 and 2, and in the next one just 1 single crochet, stitch number 3. In the next one, again, an increase, so stitch number 4 and 5, and in the next one, just 1 single crochet. So stitch number 6, again, in the next one, an increase, 7 and 8, and in the next one, just 1 single crochet, stitch number 9. And continue like this, making 1 increase and 1 single crochet to the end of this round until you have 18 stitches. I made my last stitch of this round. Now I will insert the hook into my first stitch and make a slip stitch. Again, chain 1, and now we will work an increase in the first stitch and single crochet in next 2. So in this one we will make stitch our stitch number 1 and 2, so an increase. In the next one, stitch number 3, it will be 1 single crochet, and in the next one, stitch number 4, it will be our second single crochet. In the next one, again, an increase, so our stitch number 5 and 6 of this row. In the next one, single crochet, stitch number 7, and in the next one, stitch number 8, single crochet. Again, an increase, so stitch number 9 and 10 in the same stitch, stitch number 11 in the next one, and 12 in the next one. And continue working like this to the end of this round until you have 24 stitches. Okay, in the end, again, insert your hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch and chain 1. In the next row, row number 5, we will work again an increase in the first one, so stitch number 1 and 2, and in next 3 stitches just single crochet. So stitch number 3, 4 and 5. Again, an increase in this one, so it will be stitch our 6 and 7 of this round, and in 3 next just single crochet. So it will be 8, 9 and 10. And continue like this to the end of this round, making 1 increase and 3 single crochet until you have 30 stitches. In the end of this round, again insert your hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch and chain 1. If this circle right now it's big enough to cover your box or your can, jar or whatever you want to put inside, stop in this moment and I will show you later how to grow it. If it's still not big enough, like in my case, just keep going, making more increases. So this round number 6 will be an increase in the first stitch, so stitch number 1 and 2, and later 4 single crochet. Stitch number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again, an increase, stitch number 7 and 8 in the same one, and 4 single crochet. So 9, 10, 11 and 12, and continue working like this, making an increase and 4 single crochet to the end of this round. You will have 36 stitches. I will make a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1, and I will make also the row number 7. It will be my increasing row, and I think this will be the last one. So in the first stitch I will make an increase, so again stitch number 1 and 2 in the first one, and in the next 5 stitches I will make single crochet. So stitch number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and again an increase in the next one, 8 and 9 and 5 single crochet. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And continue like this to have 42 stitches, making 1 increase and 5 single crochet. I will make a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1, and I will stop making increasing rows in my case because this circle is big enough to cover my box. But if yours is still not, so just make more increasing rows. In the next one, row number 8, you should make 1 increase in the first stitch and later 6 single crochet. In the next row, row number 9, you should make 1 increase in the first stitch and later 7 single crochet. So work like this until your circle is big enough. And right now we will just making single crochet, so 1 single crochet in each stitch, but working just in this back loop. So not in whole one like we made before, but just in this back loop, and we'll just make 1 single crochet. Work like this all over to have, in my case, 42 stitches. In yours, obviously, as much stitches as you have until after finishing your circle. After the last stitch of this row, just make a slip stitch again in the first one, chain 1, and as you can see, we made nice edge here on the bottom. And right now we will turn our work and start to make bubble round. So in this first stitch, we will just make a single crochet. But in the next one, we will make a bubble. So yarn over, insert your hook in this stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through, but just 2 loops that you had on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the same place, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and again pull through only 2 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert your hook the 3rd time in the same place, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and again pull through only 2 loops on your hook. So right now, as we can have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, make exactly the same thing 4th time, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and this time when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6. And in the next one we will make a single crochet. So right now when you turn your work, you will see our first bubble. Make another bubble, so again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, just 2 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, just 2 loops on your hook. 3rd time, yarn over, insert your hook into the same place, yarn over, pull through, just 2 loops. Okay, and the last one, the 4th time, so yarn over, insert your hook into the same place again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all loops that you had on your hook, or 6 loops, and single crochet in the next one. And right now we have 2 beautiful bubbles. And repeat this pattern, so 1 bubble and 1 single crochet to the end of this round. I will show you again. Pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. The 3rd time, pull through 2, and the 4th time, you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6, and single crochet in the next one. And continue like this to the end of this round. The last stitch of this round has to be a bubble. So we are making our last bubble, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through all 6. Perfect. And as you can see, the only thing we should do right now is to make a slip stitch in the first stitch that you made. Here we go. Chain 1, and we will turn our work. And now you can see all these bubbles that we made. The number of bubbles obviously will be different if you made a different number of rows, increasing rows. As you made exactly like me, 42 stitches here, so you will have 21 bubbles. Okay, and right now this row will just make single crochet in each stitch. So just make single crochet all over to the end of this round. The last single crochet of this round will be here on the top of this bubble. And now just again insert your hook into the first stitch. Okay. Make a slip stitch, chain 1, and turn your work. And we will make right now exactly the same like we made 2 rows ago. So in the first stitch we'll just make a single crochet, and in the next one again we'll make a bubble. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and pull through all. Okay, and make a single crochet in the next one. And when you turn your work, you will see that right now we made another bubble, and it's exactly in the same place on the top, another one from the previous round. And again, make a bubble. 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through all 6 and make a single crochet in the next one, and just continue working like this to the end of this round. The next round we'll turn our work and just make single crochet in each stitch, and this is all the pattern. So you will just make 1 row of bubbles, 1 row of single crochet, and again 1 row of bubbles. The last row, as you have to make, is a single crochet one. It will look better. And you just have to make as many bubble rows as you want. I'm making my last bubble. Okay, we'll slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 1, and as you can see I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds with bubbles, with obviously some single crochet rounds between them, and the last round that I will make has to be a single crochet round. So I turn my work and just make a round of single crochet on the top. Just my last single crochet, a slip stitch, and or you can leave your basket like this, it's ready, or I will chain 1 and just make a row, last one, of loose slip stitch all around this edge. So it depends on you if you want to finish it like this or just leave with single crochet on the top. After you finish, just chain 1, cut this tail and weave in the end. And your bubble basket is ready. Here we go. You can use it just as a basket or putting some can or jar or a box inside it. And the color and the size depends only on you. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.